Ewoks may look harmless, but they're fearsome in numbers, and many of them are heading our way. You will be accountable for any damage they cause. Likely mistake us for some kind of god.
He's a stormtrooper.
You liar!
You're with me. What do you mean?
Chris. Oh God!
What the fuck?
Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Going to the waterfall.
I got another one. Go, scoot up.
I can't. Far as I can go.
You shouldn't be in the back like that.
Transport's headed our way.
Hit ya.
Killed one of those little things.
Oh my God! Oh my God! There's no Ewok alive. Oh my God, what is going on here?
It's just fucking me up.
Yeah, me too, I can't get out of it! Oh, I'm dead!
Oh,
Cat with
plus
a,
one
cat,
down.
cat with a laptop got me.
Oh.
I got Chris.
You got an assist. I got killed by I'm gonna fart. Fuck you.
Are you
You
gonna
guys
fart?
on that fucking rock. Yeah?
LeJohn brains.
And then the Ewoks are gonna take the day. Dude, they're getting swarmed so bad. Oh my God. Holy crap, dude, that looks terrifying.
One more.
Yeah, one more. Yeah, I gotta do storage. I'm tired of it.
There's still one more person still alive. Where the fuck is this guy?
I don't know, that dude, the gang of people are.
Oh, I see him. He's up on the hill. He's up on the hill. He's
Oh,
in
he
the-
is?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Use that vision thing, you can see him.
Don't we just gotta protect the, what do you call it? I don't see him.
He's trying to get to the transport. He's running to the transport.
I'm going.
Go. He's at the transport.
Everybody's coming.
He's at the transport.
Do something! It didn't work! What a beast! Oh,
No
what a beast.
way!
Nah! That's crazy. Gotta get together quickly. Go, Power Rangers. I see you.
Man's analyzed the attack patterns of local
I don't see
inhabitants.
you.
I'm coming.
That's me.
Stay sharp. Transport's inbound.
Oh, bro, look, there's a fucking.
Oh, he's way over there. Sam, over this way.
You don't have to shine your flashlight in my eyes.
Fucking
There's a guy to our right. There's a guy to our right.
What?
I can hear him yelling.
Yeah, he's getting shit on.
You didn't come to
We
the
gotta
cover?
go, we gotta go!
Oh God! Oh God! Oh God!
Well, what are we doing? We gotta go this way? Where are we going?
I don't know.
There's no teammate over there.
I think we go this way. Go this way.
Okay, I'm going.
Oh, bro, I'm staying up here.
I don't know. We can get in here. We can get in here maybe. Yeah. Here we go. No.
Yeah.
Put this
No,
against
that
our backs. us against our back so they can't get behind us. I don't think they can get behind us.
Yeah. Oh, you may not even know that.
Yeah, what have you been doing? Oh god.
Circle thing. I don't know. I kind of like being on the bridge. I don't know why. Are you talking? Oh, this. Okay.
Oh, what the fuck?
They're shooting at you.
Oh god! I'm coming to you guys! I'm coming to you guys!
Yep. I guess you should.
So take turns with our flashlights. Oh god! Oh god! I killed one! I killed one! Oh shit! Oh shit!
That shit hurt.
They really do.
There.
Bro, how do people see? They
Fuck
must.
you.
They
I'm
must be.
shooting. I'm just shooting. I'm just shooting.
Oh, get right here! Oh god, I missed
There's a
him!
little one right there. He's fucking right below us. He's right below us.
My flashlight's out! I can't see shit! Oh shit! He's coming behind you!
Oh, you get some health back when you kill them.
Evacs on the way.
Do you? Oh, I guess you do, because I'm back at 200 now.
Gotta watch the doors.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Oh, he's close to me.
Oh shit! I don't know where that came from. I can't get out of it.
You're gonna try to come up this fucking door, this fucking pathway, I think.
Oh yeah, one's right here! Oh shit! Got
Good
him.
one.
I gotta save my flashlight.
There's only 5 of us. It's literally just us in this circle.
Oh, one below. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
They're fucking me up. I'm about to die. I'm 19 health.
Oh my god. Oh god.
Oh god, dude, I'm running. I'm running for it.
No, it's not a good idea, damn!
They're coming across the bridge.
Come this way. Run to the other side.
I can't see. I don't have a flashlight.
Hey, David, they're coming! Go! You gotta go!
Oh, I'm getting hit. Oh no!
Hey, David!
I got stuck on a wall because I couldn't see what I was doing. Where are you guys going?
I don't know, they seem to all
Right here, right here.
You gotta go
Oh, it's
to
right here.
you gotta go to the reach thing.
Okay, yeah, the smoke. We're here, we're here, we're here.
I don't have a scan. I don't have a scan.
I scanned. I don't see him.
Think he's ready again.
I don't see him.
Get your scans ready.
Scanning right now. I don't see him.